Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can create Power BI dashboard theme using ChatGPT. So you can use ChatGPT to create a theme and you can upload it to Power BI. It is very useful and easy method. I am going to give you the step-by-step solution how to enter correct prompt in ChatGPT and create a Power BI theme and how to upload it to Power BI. So watch this video till the end and let's go to my PC and see how it works. So after opening ChatGPT, you need to enter the prompt. Can you create a Power BI dashboard theme for me? So it is analyzing. So it has created a theme for me like this, download clean theme. So I will download it in my system. Let me click here and click on download. Let me save this file. After saving this file, I need to give it a name like this. So make sure to give it a JSON file name .jsm. So make sure to save file .jsm in all files here, or you can save it manually as well. So let me upload a theme. So you need to go to this option here, blank report. Now click on this option, first option. After that you need to click on view option and click here, click on themes, scroll down, click on browse for themes. Now you can select clean theme. You can see it is written file successfully added, your custom report theme is ready to use. Click on got it. So my theme is now ready to use, so I can use this theme now. I can add the data and other things and use this theme. So let me add the data as well. From here let me add an Excel file. Let me import an Excel file for my system, so it will show up the theme for me. So within a few seconds my Excel file will be uploaded here and I will be able to use the theme now, custom theme which I have installed. So it is very useful. Make sure all the things which I have provided in this video for this. I hope you know how to add an Excel file in Power BI. I have created other videos as well. You can check out the tutorial of my videos. So make sure to check my Power BI playlist to get expertise in Power BI. I am usually creating Power BI videos in Power BI tutorial only. So I have a different playlist, so make sure to check the Power BI playlist only, because all the specific videos will be uploaded on the specific playlist. So you can see Excel file is uploaded, all data is showing here. You can go back to report view here and you can add data here in different you can use any of this, like this chart and pie bars. You can use all this stuff, all this coding, add the data, use other like pie chart and make a pie chart as well. Let's go to theme again and see my theme, my custom theme. Let me add the custom theme once again. You can see file successfully added, your custom theme is ready to use. Click on got it. So my custom theme is also available now, so I can use the custom theme now here using these tips. So I hope friends now you will be able to add custom themes in Power BI using ChatGPT. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it and upload a theme to Power BI. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.